At this point, we should have the line set installed, the feed hose installed, and the transfer pump installed. So next we want to get material from the drums to the end of the line set. And so first we want to start by mixing the B-side drum only for 1 minute a gallon. So a brand new drum will be about an hour. After that time is up, you can go ahead and open up the valve on the side of your machine. Then you want to go ahead and open the valve on your transfer pump. This only requires 100 psi to operate. And then we will get to the gun, and we will be removing the side block. We'll be doing this process for the resin and the A side. So we'll start with the B. So we'll unscrew, there's only 2 set screws holding the side block on. We'll remove those. And after those are removed, the side block will just come off of the gun. And then next, we will aim it into a bucket or a trash can, slowly open this valve. We want to see a steady stream of material and no air pockets. Once we've eliminated all the air pockets and we have a nice steady stream of material, we can close this valve. Now, on a line set that has no material in it, it can take several minutes before you'll actually see the material come through. And then you'll just reinstall the side block and repeat the process on the other side.